In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the belt molding, which is basically the exterior window seal with this trim piece built into it on the front door of this Ford Ranger. Let's get started. To do this job, you will most likely need a tool that looks like this. It's purposely made for this application. Now, you could get around this with whatever other tool you might have or anything that you can come up with. However, it is important that if you use this, because it's metal, first of all, roll the window down, and then you want to grab this piece right around here where the window curves down, because if you stick the tool in here, it'll scrape tight up against the window and most likely scratch it. So go further in here where there's no glass. As you can see, right around here, I'm touching the glass, so here I can easily grab on to the inner lip of this, and what you're aiming for as it sits in the vehicle like that is to grab onto this inner portion here. So you stick the tool down, it grabs on and pulls up. Here we go. Okay, make sure you push it down far enough, and then you have to pull pretty hard, and it will bend, it will damage this, so obviously this is a one-time use. And it should pop off. There we go. Takes quite a bit of force. Now, because there's some dust and sand here, I'm just going to clean this off. And now, obviously, you want to make sure you have the right side because they are directional. One end is curved to follow the curve of the door, and the other end is cut flat because it needs to actually tuck up underneath the mirror. So this top lip right here, you want to make sure that it goes in between the mirror and the window track, and then you want to make sure that these dented areas bite on to the lip of the door here. So slide it in and down. Now, if you wanted to, you could pull the mirror off to do this, but you don't actually have to if you are able to work this in here. And looks like it's lined up for me, so I'm going to give it one good hit, and that is locked in tight. Fits perfectly here, lined up all the way to the end, so there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.